Listen up. Today we're talking about fairness, not just as a feeling but as a principle called natural justice. In law and life, natural justice means decisions about you must be made fairly. It's not just for courtrooms, it's for everyone. Everywhere. Think of it as the rules of fair play, like not letting the other team's captain be the umpire. If you're punished without a chance to explain, or judged by someone with a personal stake, that's injustice. Natural justice stops that. It demands a neutral umpire, and a chance to speak. These aren't just legal rules, they're life skills that protect you from unfairness. Let's break down the two big rules of natural justice. The first rule, audi alteram partem, hear the other side. You can't judge someone without hearing their story. If you're accused, you have the right to know the charge, see the evidence, and defend yourself. No secret accusations, no hidden files. You must get proper notice. What you're accused of, when, and what could happen. You get to see the evidence and respond. This isn't about endless debate, it's about a real chance to be heard. Imagine a student accused of cheating. The school must show the evidence and let the student explain. Maybe it's a misunderstanding, maybe not. But everyone deserves a fair shot. This rule keeps decisions balanced and honest. It's about dignity and respect. Never let anyone take away your right to be heard. A fair process means better decisions. Don't settle for less. Your story matters. The second rule, nemo judex in causa sua, no one can judge their own case. It's the rule against bias. If someone stands to gain or has a personal connection, they can't decide the outcome. Justice must look fair and be fair. If a judge owns shares in a company, they can't rule on its case. If a manager's nephew is in trouble, someone else must decide. Even strong opinions can be biased. If you've campaigned against something, you shouldn't decide on it. The decision maker must be neutral, with no stake in the result. Anything less is a recipe for injustice. This rule protects everyone from unfair decisions. Impartiality is non-negotiable. Let's see how this works in real life. Rohan is accused of plagiarism at school. A fair principal gives him notice, shows the evidence, and lets him explain. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe not, but Rohan gets to speak. If the accusing teacher is also the judge, that's a conflict. The decision must go to someone neutral. Same at work. If Priya's cousin is accused of slacking, Priya can't investigate. She must hand it to HR or another manager. This isn't about dodging responsibility. It's about protecting everyone's rights. Fairness means the process is open, unbiased, and everyone gets a say. These rules prevent favoritism and suspicion. They protect reputations and build trust. Whether it's school or work, natural justice keeps things honest. It's not just policy, it's respect. Demand it for yourself and practice it for others. That's how you build a fair community. Why does this matter? Because trust is everything. When people know the process is fair, they accept decisions, even tough ones. Without fairness, people lose faith, stop cooperating, and see authority as corrupt. If promotions are secret and biased, morale collapses. If the process is open and fair, people trust the system. Natural justice keeps power in check. It forces decision-makers to explain themselves and follow rules. This transparency stops abuse and builds trust. It's about dignity. Everyone deserves to be heard and judged fairly. Denying fairness tells people they don't matter. That breeds resentment and damages communities. Fairness isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the foundation of a healthy society. To wrap up, natural justice is common sense, not just legal jargon. Rule 1, hear the other side. Give notice. Show evidence. Let people speak. Rule 2, no one judges their own case. Keep decision makers neutral. These rules apply everywhere. School, work, life. They build trust, prevent abuse, and make communities stronger. Next time you're making a decision, ask, did everyone get to speak? Is the judge impartial? Demand fairness for yourself, and give it to others. That's how you build justice, one decision at a time. Don't settle for less. Fairness starts with you. Case dismissed.